I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over understanding your commissions. The new Builderall commission plan is awesome and it's not that hard once you understand it. So we're going to go through all your commissions so you can understand perfectly what each one of them means. We're not going to go through the numbers because I don't want to confuse you. We're just going to go through what each commission means. So first off, you've got your affiliate level. So the level goes from level 0 to level 3. And level 0 you only get your direct sales commissions. On level 1 and level 2 you get your unilevel bonus 1 and your unilevel bonus 2. And as a level 3 affiliate you also get your level 3 commissions as well. So unilevel bonus 1 is your direct sign-ups referrals. And then level 2 is their referrals and level 3 is their referrals. And that's where it stops. Like I said, here are your direct sales, so that's who you have sold yourself. And then you've got your direct sales recurring commissions, so what comes in month after month. And here you have your retention bonus. So the retention bonus is a bonus that you get every 3 months a user is active. So that's displayed here. It shows you how many clients are in the first month of the cycle, how many clients are in the second month of the cycle, and how many clients are in the third month of the cycle. And every 3 months you will get your retention bonus for each client. And last on this line is the car bonus. So the car bonus you get for every 690 points or every 10 business customers. So every 10 business customers you get a $50 bonus per month, and this can go up to unlimited. So for example, if you had 1,000 business customers at the $69 a month level, you would get a $5,000 per month car bonus. So here you have your actual earnings. So this is pending review, and that means it's being held by the company for a certain amount of time to protect themselves from refunds. So if you're an established affiliate with over $200 in earnings, you'll be on a 5-day hold. So 5 days after a commission goes into pending review, it will be available. If you haven't earned $200 yet, it will be 35 days. And once you reach 200, it will turn to 5 days. So available is what you have available to withdraw. These commissions can be withdrawn to your account. Once you've requested for them to be withdrawn, they'll move to the requested tab. So you can request your payments anytime. But payments are only paid out every Thursday. So every Thursday your payments will move from requested to paid. But you must request them first. They won't automatically move from available to paid. Here you have your points. So points determine what affiliate level you're at. So the more points you have, the higher the level, up to level 3, where you can earn in all unilevels. So you earn points in 2 ways. First is for having an active account. Each dollar that you spend on your personal account equals 3 points. And the other way is for dollars that you earn. So each dollar that you earn is worth 1 point. So using those 2 ways to earn points, you need to earn enough points to be able to get up to affiliate level 3, if you want all 3 unilevels. Underneath here is the Builderall Mansion qualifications. So the Builderall Mansion is an event that is held by Builderall. And to be eligible to go to the event, you need 10 level 3 affiliates. So 10 affiliates who have enough points and have qualified for level 3, 50 direct customers on your first line, and 200 indirect customers. So 200 customers on your first, second and third unilevel. And finally, you can see your commissions on all of your levels here. So you can see how many leads, active leads and affiliates you have on your first level, your second level and your third level, and also the currency for those commissions. So once you get into it, it's not very complicated and it's a really cool system which allows you to maximize your earnings. So in this video we went over understanding your commissions.